has left that seatbelt sign on. For your continued comfort and safety and the safety of those around you, we do ask that you remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened or refrain from moving about the cabin or using the washrooms at this time. If at any time during this flight that seatbelt sign should be turned off, we do strongly recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened while seated. For your information, there are 2 washrooms on board this plane. There's one at the front and one at the back, and as always, the WestJet flights are non-smoking. Your TVs have been activated for your viewing pleasure. Controls for volume, brightness, and the jack for your headset is located on your armrest. If you do have a single-prong headset, it should be compatible with our system. If not, when it is safe to do so, Tony will be coming to the cabin to offer you a headset for purchase. We have 2 varieties of headset. We have our basic headset for $325 and our premium headset, which is a noise-canceling headset and a very nice case, and it is available at the cost of $10. Just a reminder that WestJet is a cashless airline. We do accept Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and fly by vouchers that you may purchase when you do check